Hi, this is A. Good morning. Today we will start with grids. If we want to make grids, we have to go to any floor plan. Now we can go to Architecture tab at Reform Bar, Datum section, Grid. We can press GR at keyboard. It will be like this, and it will take number 1. We can draw second one like this. Select pick line and give its distance like 5 meter, 7 meter, 3 meter. Came from right, it will be like here. If I came from left, it will be like here. Now we can start with the horizontal axis. We can go to grid, start with this one, but I have to change its number by press the number and make it letter A. We can go to grid, pick line, and select the distance between the first and second X. It will be like this. We can also take this X and make copy. 8 meter. When I press copy, I have option bar. First option, constraint to go X and Y only. If I uncheck it, I can go at any angle like this, but I prefer constraint. Also, I have multiple choice, multiple to make one or more than one. Now I have the grid. If I want the bubble at first and the end of the line, I have to select the line and check this check, and here I will select one of the grid and go to edit type and select plan view symbol at end 1 or end 2, apply. Okay, it will be like this. If I go to any level, it will be appear in it. But if I add more levels, copy, and if I change it to plan like this, if I go to its plan, it will grid will not appear here. I have to go to elevations and select the grid, and it will appear a small circle at under the bubble number bubble. I have to select it and raise it up more than level, the new level. If I go check the plan view, it will appear the vertical grids only. So I have to go to the other elevations and select like this. If I check level, the last level, I now have all grids like this. If I want to make grid with angle, I can make first point and second point will be at any angle. I write it like this. I can go to annotate and press angular and select this angle. Now if I select this grid, I can make it like any angle I want, like this. Now I can go to grid and repeat this by pick line and select the distance. With any distance I want. I can also make the other direction, like this one. I can also select angular dimension to check this angle. I can select this one and make it at any angle I want, like this. Now I can delete this one and go to grid, pick and select the distance which I want, like this. Also I can make grid lines arc by this point, this option, like I have this point, first point and second point and direction. I can change this number or make it by this. I can select the center and the radius and from where to where, like this. I can change the radius to be like this, like this. I can make a big line and select like this. Thank you. Bye.